Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word required. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. A valid ID is required to enter the building. Required indicates something that is necessary, mandatory, or essential for a specific task, situation, or action to be completed or fulfilled. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.